Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you, I love you. If you're new, then welcome to the channel. Today is my first official Vlogmas video. It's my first time doing Vlogmas and I know the idea, but I kind of don't really know what I'm doing and I don't know if I'll be able to do 24 or 25 videos, but I'm gonna do my best. So we'll see how that goes, but it's the first one today. So this is the look that I wore to the P&G Beauty Awards, Procter & Gamble, and I won the Best Beauty Social Media Award for 2018. This look was really highly requested by you guys. I posted a photo of what I wore and my makeup on Instagram, which I will link below, and everybody asked for a tutorial, so here we go. This is also a really great tutorial for any kind of holiday party. I think that the darker lip is really chic. It's actually really easy to do. It's like a quick wash of color, bronzy face, lots of highlighter as you can see, and then a dark lip. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. I show you a little tip at the end for how I kind of get the outline just over my natural lip line. So officially welcome to the August Diaries Vlogmas. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with this Smashbox Petal Metal Primer. It's like rose goldy. I like the way it makes my skin glow. And then I have been breaking out along here. It's like kind of red and tender from when I got Halo Laser, which I will have a video on soon. So I'm going to be using a heavier foundation than I normally do. The Tom Ford Waterproof Foundation. And I'm going to mix two shades, 5.5 Bisque and 6 Natural. This is a very pigmented foundation and it's so good. So I don't recommend using very much. Like this is even like too much. So just mix them together. And I'm just gonna put it on the center of my face. If I wear too much foundation, I just don't feel like myself. I just feel like I'm wearing a mask, like actually. I always find a lot of makeup artists when I get my makeup done, which I rarely do now, I just do it myself. They put too much foundation on and then you just don't feel like you, which is really important. And I'm just gonna put a little bit over my lips because I'm doing a super dark lip. And I'm not using any more, but I'm just blending it out to my cheeks. I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Complexion brush just to buff out the foundation. Really blend it in. Bronzer, Marc Jacobs. I really want to try the Marc Jacobs Luminizer. I think it's like rose goldy kind of coloring for Christmas. I do want to be quite bronzy for this, especially because I don't have any kind of a tan. Okay, eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Volcano Goddess palette from Becca. And I think I'm going to use this one right here. I just want like a really pretty wash of color just to complement the like super dark lip. And then underneath too. And then I always take a clean brush just to blend everything out. I might even go in slightly darker with Crater right here, just for a bit of definition. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I want lashes, but not too big because the lips are pretty bright. NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And then before I do my bottom lashes, I'm just going to use my Milk Makeup concealer. I still look so pale. Another coat of mascara. I still like lashes. Even though this was for an event, I just can't do false lashes. I just don't have the patience for it. It has to be like a really big event, like my wedding or something. I'm going to use this Milk Makeup Kush Brow Gel in Haze. And I always wipe off the excess because I find there's just too much product. I find that for most brow gels, except for the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brow. And then I'm just going to brush them up. Pretty straight up. Just make sure I'm bronzy. For blush, I'm using the Laura Mercier Grapefruit Blush. And this is so pigmented, like almost too pigmented, because I take one tap of it and take most of it on the back of my hand. And it's still like almost too much. Lastly is my Beautycounter Topaz Highlighter. Also really pigmented, so you don't need a ton. But I mean, it's an event, so go nuts. I'm going to use a bit of that Beautycounter highlighter in the corner of my eye. Okay, and for the lip, I'm using Nudestix Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Color in Icon. It's like a really dark red. I like to fill in the mouth first and then rub my lips together, and then I'll go over anything I need to. I have a zit right there. Oh. Another trick is to just use a little bit of concealer right around the lip. So it's a really beautiful, deep, kind of almost like a brownie brick red. I love it. It's one of my favorite colors, and I just thought it would look really good with like sleek hair and that dress. I will link the full look that I wore in the description box. This look was much requested by you guys on Instagram. I feel like I'm wearing a lot of blush. It's like quite intense. Maybe I'll try and take it down. It's not the 80s, Jill. Whatever. This is my first official Vlogmas video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.